Hello, wonderful traders. Dadas here, talking to you from the Dadas trading room on the Discord platform. Very funny Discord platform. You get to know all kind of freaks out there. Okay, never mind. Anyways, like I said yesterday, I made a decision yesterday. I made a decision to close all my trades here on the silver, and exactly this is what I was talking about. I mean, yesterday I closed my profits right there. Then the price went up a little bit, moved backwards, and during the night it went up and reached the level where I had my take profit. So I would have had to be very patient. I mean, looking at what I was doing right here, I wasn't very patient, so it was no sense in holding this. And if somebody was listening yesterday, I exactly showed this yesterday, and exactly the price reacted to my to the levels that I pointed out, and at this moment retraced back to the new consolidations that appeared right here. So we have one consolidation, another consolidation. So there is just there is a whole bunch of sideways movements and nothing much really happening. But the prediction is like this, right? So most probably the price is going to go down right there. We will see. Okay. Nevertheless, what happened on? Nevertheless, I freed my capital so that I could finally resume my trading on the DAX in the normal fashion. So, what happened with the DAX 30? Well, you can see that after this drop, yesterday's night drop, it went back a little bit, and during the Asian session, it dropped some more, and then it started climbing up systematically until it reached and it continued over the Frankfurt opening. It reached some kind of a high, then started pulling back. During the London opening, it still pulled back some more, and then again started going up. Now, so I simply did this standard measurement, right? And I decided to get in long when the price bounced off the support and started moving upwards. So the price started moving upwards. I got in. You see that there was some jumping jacks right here, and then the price went up and retraced again a little bit, then started moving up again. I was pretty satisfied right here, so I started thinking of closing my trade already right there, but I trailed my stop loss to some profit. Now the next candle, I'm simply watching the market and trying to figure out, looking at the price movements, right, on the actual price movements here and now. To figure out whether the market has a tendency to continue or not. I mean, this candle showed me that the price wasn't ready to continue, so I decided to get out of this trade. I was hoping for 20 pips. I got a little bit less. Nevertheless, this was a potential resistance level, and there was a possibility that the price wouldn't be moving more. You can see that after some more pullbacks, and you can see that exactly on this candle that they would have taken out my trading stop. So that would have been frustrating and irritating to me. Anyways, we can see that after some more time, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes, it took 35 more minutes for the price to make another pullback and then jump up and take out the level of my take profit. And that practically right there was the new high of the day, and that was the high of the day. The price then made a little pullback, another a lower high, and then started moving back down, right? So there could have been some opportunities here, because there could have been an opportunity exactly right there when the price broke down here, and then made this retest and it didn't make a new high, started going back down. I could have gotten in here, but I was pretty busy thinking about something else today, so I decided to take it easy and not trade anymore. So I didn't make any other trade today, even though there were some opportunities. I mean, I wouldn't be thinking of long right here, because there were no consolidations, right, of my type. Then perhaps another opportunity would have been from this candle, but of course after seeing some kind of a signal right here. So basically on this next candle, we would have had to jump into the trade, and then this was a pretty quick trade. Now somebody could have been confused here on this consolidation, because basically you see the price was at the level of the Dada's daily pivot right here, so it bounced off and started moving back up. So basically after this, after breaking here, right, it pulled back and then started moving back up. So basically, if after this candle, right, after we had seen this low, we should have been measuring it like this, and basically if we didn't get in the trade right here, and we practically couldn't get in the trade right here, because we would have been going counter trend. So the only situation where I could have gotten into the trade is when I saw that the price was showing more tendency to go up. But in this situation, I wouldn't have gotten a good price. I would have been in the trade somewhere higher, probably. So basically, this is the only context for the long, and that long would have worked out. Now, then when the price started moving back down, then of course we don't, like I said right here, see, so this is the same kind of situation, because if I were thinking of going long right there without waiting for the price to show some kind of a tendency to actually bounce off right here and go back up, then then I would have been taking more risk. That's why this type of trade is not a good trade, because you don't see the price action, right? You don't see more than one, two, three candles perhaps that are working on this level, right? Now that's why here the price would have after closing down right there, I wouldn't be thinking of going long, and so on, because the price continued down right here. So basically, this was the right candle to figure out a short, and that would have been a good short. But perhaps it didn't reach, didn't take out the take profit, and then you see that the price actually consolidated quite a lot. And did actually take out the take profit level, but just by the end of the day. Yeah, so basically that's it. I didn't do any more trades today, so I'm working on a new idea, a new project, a new indicator, perhaps. Well, I don't know when I'm gonna release it. At this moment, I'm just looking at it. We'll see. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much for this video. Please like, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, join my Discord server, my Data's trading room server on the Discord, right? because I stream my trading every day. Also, if you can, please become my patron on patreon.com/Dadas Trading System Workshop, and all the links are below. Patrons get lots and lots of special benefits, and they are granted the VIP role on the Dadas trading room. Yeah, thanks a lot. I hope you're all keeping well and keeping safe. I know there's been some some restrictions are being let's say lowered down, softened a little bit, but I would advise everybody to still be safe. Don't kiss anybody's hands and stuff like that. Maybe even don't shake their hands too much without a sanitizer. Okay. Anyways, hope you're all well. See you next time. Bye.